Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we've got something that promises to transform your kitchen routine. Meet the Chefman Obliterator 48-aughts Countertop Blender, a powerhouse designed to make smoothies, shakes, and even crush ice with ease. Now, we're not just talking about a blender that gets the job done. This one comes with a 1380-watt motor and a list of features that might just make you rethink what a blender can do. So, what makes it stand out in the crowded blender market? Let's break it down. The Chefman Obliterator is equipped with a high-powered 1380-watt motor that effortlessly handles ice, frozen fruits, and even nuts. The advanced airflow system ensures the motor stays relatively quiet, which is a big deal for anyone who's tired of the loud whirring sounds that usually accompany high-speed blenders. Whether you're making smoothies for the family or prepping a post-workout shake, this blender can take on almost anything without waking the whole house. And speaking of capacity, the 48-aughts shatter-resistant Tritan jar is the perfect size for larger batches, so you can easily make drinks for multiple people without needing to blend in shifts. One of the standout features of this blender is the auto blend function. It's designed to analyze the ingredients you've added and automatically adjust the blending settings to achieve the ideal consistency. This feature is perfect for those who want a perfect blend every time without having to fiddle with controls or guess how long to blend. But if you prefer a bit more control, the blender comes with a dial control panel that offers 5 blending speeds, a pulse option, and even presets that include a countdown timer. It's a blend of convenience and control, making it versatile for a variety of tasks, from smoothies to soups. Now let's talk about real-world usage. Setting up the Chefman Obliterator is a breeze, and the intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to use right out of the box. The blender does an excellent job of crushing ice, something many blenders struggle with. It takes only a few seconds for it to break down even tough, frozen ingredients. I tested it with a variety of ingredients, from nuts to leafy greens and frozen berries, and it handled everything like a pro. The auto blend function was especially useful for smoothies, as it consistently delivered the right texture with minimal effort. However, there were a few instances where I found it a bit loud during heavy-duty blending, especially with frozen ingredients. So it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a super quiet experience. When it comes to the pros and cons, there's a lot to love. The build quality is solid, and the 1380-watt motor delivers impressive performance. The 48-aughts jar provides plenty of capacity, and the auto blend feature is a game changer for anyone looking for convenience. It's also easy to clean, thanks to the clean preset and dishwasher-safe parts. The design is sleek and modern, so it won't look out of place on your kitchen counter. On the downside, the blender is a bit on the heavier side, which may be a consideration if you have limited storage space or need something more portable. While the noise level is relatively low compared to other high-powered blenders, it still gets a little loud when handling dense frozen ingredients. In terms of value for money, the Chefman Obliterator offers a strong case. It's priced in the mid-range for high-powered blenders, but when you factor in the 1380 watts motor, the auto blend function, and the large capacity jar, it stands out as a solid choice. Compared to competitors in a similar price range, such as the Ninja Professional or Vitamix E310, the Obliterator holds its own with a few unique features, like the auto blend functionality and the included travel jar. However, if you're looking for a blender that can double as a food processor or perform more specialized tasks, you may find some alternatives that offer additional features for a similar price. When it comes to build quality, the Chefman Obliterator feels durable and well-made. The Tritan jar is both shatter-resistant and sturdy, ensuring it can withstand heavy use without cracking or breaking. The blender itself is UL approved, meaning it meets the necessary safety standards for long-term use. While there isn't extensive long-term data available yet, Chefman's reputation for producing reliable kitchen appliances, coupled with the 5-year warranty, suggests that this blender should hold up well over time, especially with proper care. Customer support is an area where Chefman excels. Their team is responsive, and the 5-year warranty provides peace of mind in case you run into any issues. I didn't need to reach out for support during my testing, but the brand's established reputation for customer service gives confidence that if something were to go wrong, they'd be quick to assist. As for updates, the Chefman Obliterator is a pretty straightforward blender, so there are no firmware or software updates to consider. It's all about the hardware, and based on my testing, it performs consistently well out of the box without any need for tweaks. To wrap it all up, the Chefman Obliterator 48/0 Countertop Blender is a powerhouse that brings solid performance to the table. It excels at crushing ice, blending smoothies, and offering a high level of convenience with the auto blend feature. While it's not the quietest blender on the market and could benefit from a slightly more compact design, it's still a top contender in its price range. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use blender that can handle everything from frozen fruit to tough nuts, this one's worth considering. It's well suited for anyone who needs a versatile blender for both large batches and on-the-go blending. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link to the Chefman Obliterator in the comments box below. If you've got any questions or you've already tried it out, let us know your thoughts. Until next time, keep blending and stay tuned for more reviews inside TV.